Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can log into the Genshin Impact account of yours. Now to do that, what you need to do is first thing open a Google browser in your PC. You can use any browser for this PC as I'm currently using Google Chrome. So click open a new tab. Now on the search bar, you need to type in genshin.whoyoverse.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page. Now once you're at this page, you need to go click on home over here. Click that. Then you will be directed to this page where to log in. You need to click on login over here on the top right corner. Click that. Now to log in, you need to provide the account credential. Type in the username and password. And then you provide the password. Once both the detail is done, you click on login. You can also log in your account with Google, Apple, Facebook or Twitter. That is only if you have linked your account with these social media platforms. If not, you can log in with the email. Just in case you're having issue with the login, you can click on having problem. Click on login over here and you will be logged in into the account of yours. There you can see the account info. So this is a way how you can log in into the account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.